Motivation then is the fourth stage in the observational learning theory, and this is about the desire to achieve a goal or to learn. So Bandura says about this part, the learner must be motivated, must want to learn how to do the skill, otherwise learning will not take place. So with that in mind, we've got to make sure that we provide some kind of motivation for the learner. Once they've seen the demonstration, they've got the mental image, they've gone away practicing, as I alluded to in the last video, we want to give them motivation to keep them trying to reproduce that demonstration that we've given. So it may be that some individuals have some form of intrinsic motivation, that they want to do it for its own sake, which is wonderful, but it's more likely that learners will have to rely upon extrinsic motivation, which you'll give as the coach, as the PE teacher, to encourage them to try to develop this learning. So extrinsic motivation is really important, and that is general praise. So it might be well done, that's really good, Mark, keep going, or well done, Lydia, that's absolutely fantastic. That's a general sort of reinforcement, positive reinforcement and praise that we've mentioned previously. And it also could be more specific praise. So we are diving down or drilling down into the particular areas that they are doing well. So you can see here, great extension at the knees, Maria, that's fantastic. And therefore they're more likely to focus and reproduce that kind of movement because it's being reinforced, and the model, remember, is that the learner will imitate or copy what they've seen, and if that is reinforced with praise, then that behavior is more likely to be repeated. So again, what you can see in front of you, key points that you should be talking about, you should be mentioning in a response when you are describing the motivation stage of this learning theory.